The following is not related enveloped virus. MA. They survive for a short time. B. Their envelope is sensitive to sunlight. C. They are tolerant to antidotes. D. Envelope is derived from host. 2. Numerous opportunistic diseases might attack a person suffering from which of the following diseases? A. Measles. B. Influenza. C. Hepatitis A. D. AIDS. 3. The complete mature and infection virus particle is known as 2020. A. Venom. B. Core. C. Virion. D. Capsid. Which of the following is not true about human immunodeficiency virus, HIV? A. It is retrovirus. B. It is covered by an envelope. C. It does not cause AIDS. D. It affects the efficiency of the human immune system. Subscribe Karna Nabulan. Chemistrynails go support Karain. Video key end main answers dhanchay hain. 5. HIV is classified as bacteriophage. B. Oncovirus. C. Retrovirus. D. Icosahedral virus. 6. All viruses can reproduce within living organisms, so they are known as A. Ectoparasites. B. Endoparasites. C. Obligate intracellular parasites. D. Facultative intracellular parasites. 7. Cilia and flagella are absent in MDCAT 2017. A. Viruses. B. Bacteria. C. Higher plants. D. Lower animals. 8 is a non-cellular infectious entity. A. Mycoplasma. B. Escherichia coli. C. Herpes virus. D. Diplocat channel. Chemistrynails co-support. Humari channel. Chemiki and main answers dhanchay hain. 9. The viruses can reproduce. A. Without using any cell. B. In bacterial cell. C. By mitosis. D. By meiosis. The life cycle in which the phage kills the bacteria is known as MDCAT 2018. A. Transduction. B. Temperate phage cycle. C. Lytic cycle. D. Lysogenic phage cycle. Video key and main answers dhanchay hain. 11. The minimum size of virus is M2018. A. 20 nanometers. B. 200 nanometers. C. 250 nanometer. D. 100 nanometers. Choose the cell which lack endoplasmic reticulum. DCAT 2018. A. Muscle cell. B. Bacteria. C. Virus. D. Neuron. Subscribe Karna Nabulan. Humari channel Chemistrynails go support Korean. Video ke enmin answers dhanchay hain. Capsid, the protective coat of a virus, is made up of proteins units known as capsomeres. A. Lipid. B. Protein. C. RNA. D. Enzyme. 14. Among following, enzyme is naturally present in human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. MDCAT 2019. A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Reverse transcriptase. D. Ligase. Video key and main answers dhanchay hain. 15. First infectious disease against which effective method of prevention developed was A. Bacterial disease, viral disease. C. Protozoan disease. D. Fungal disease. 16. Infection is caused by a viroid. A. Hepatitis A. B. Hepatitis B. C. HIV. D. Measles. Subscribe Karna Nabulan. Humari channel Chemistrynails co-supporting. Video can main answers dhanchay hain. 17. Numerous opportunistic diseases might attack a person suffering from which of the following diseases? A. Measles. B. Influenza. C. Hepatitis A. D. AIDS. Answers. 1. C. They are tolerant to antidotes. 2. D. AIDS. 3. Virion. 4. C. It does not cause AIDS. 5. C. Retrovirus. 6. C. Obligate intracellular parasites. 7. A. Viruses. 8. C. Herpes virus. 9b. In bacterial cell 10, C. Lytic cycle 11, A. 20 nanometer 12, B. Bacteria 13, B. 14, C. Reverse transcriptase 15, B. Viral disease. 16. Hepatitis A. 17. D. AIDS. Agar